Mastering the goodbye. Take care, in informal English. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today we're diving into the world of informal goodbyes, specifically focusing on the phrase, take care. This simple yet heartfelt goodbye is commonly used in everyday English conversations. Let's explore its use and its different contexts. First, let's clarify what take care actually means. In its most basic form, take care is a way of saying goodbye. It's used informally among friends, family members, and sometimes even with acquaintances. When you say, take care, to someone, you are expressing your wish for them to stay safe and well until you meet again. It's a kind, affectionate phrase that shows concern for the other person's well-being. Now, let's talk about how to use take care in your conversations. This phrase is usually used at the end of the conversation, just before you part ways. Here's a typical conversation for you. Person A, it was nice catching up with you. Person B, same here. We should do this more often. Person A, definitely. Take care. In this context, Person A uses take care as a warm, caring way to end the conversation. Even though take care is a fairly straightforward phrase, there are a few variations you can use to spice up your conversation and add a little variety. Some of these variations include take care now, you take care, take good care. All these variations convey the same general sentiment, but add a slightly different flavor to your goodbye. While take care is quite versatile, there are times when it may not be the best choice. Typically, take care is not used in formal situations or with people you're not familiar with. In professional settings, it's better to use formal phrases like goodbye or see you. So that's all about the phrase, take care. It's a warm, affectionate way to say goodbye in informal English. You can use it in a variety of settings and with a range of people. Just be sure to avoid it in more formal situations. Hopefully, you now feel more confident about using take care in your everyday English. Until our next lesson, learners, take care.